What's up guys, and welcome to another overly ambitious build video. If you like seeing these builds, please consider joining me on Twitch to see the build live, or if you just prefer watching the videos, drop a like on the video and subscribe so you can see more of the builds in the future. This base is being built in the top left corner of N12 on Elysium. We first found the build location after doing the main story quests in the new expansion, and I immediately knew that I had to build something here. Of course, in proper Lithex fashion, I did not give myself an easy task by any means, and I probably went much more ambitious than I should have. The first thing I did was start playing with all of the new shapes that were added to kind of see what was even possible. I messed with all the rounding pieces that they've added, I used some of the normal pieces, and eventually I settled on the reinforced glass diagonal building piece to make use of its angled triangles to make a massive glass pyramid. The bottom of the base I wanted to be 10 building pieces wide, which would also make this pyramid 10 blocks tall. I was not sure if this was even going to be possible, as I've never built something this tall in Icarus before, but more about that struggle later. Now, one of the things I want to do with these videos is try my best to give you an idea of what it took to make a build like this, such as what materials were used and what type of commitment I personally put into the project, in case you want to do something like this yourself in the future. So here's a list of what it took for me to build this myself. I used 920 reinforced glass diagonal building pieces, 225 concrete beams, 40 advanced concrete beams, and 123 reinforced glass floors. So overall, the materials used would be around 20,082 iron ore, 3,347 coal, 5,467 silica, 4,240 stone, and 530 tree sap. And based on my recorded video length, it was about 21 hours, though I did spend quite a bit of time off of recording, gathering certain materials, as well as doing some of the preparations for the build. So I think around my total commitment for the build is roughly 25 to 30 hours. Just a quick side note, because of how long this build took to make, I will be skipping ahead periodically to make sure the video is not extremely long, so you can still get to see the full process in all of its glory. Anyways, I think the hardest part of the build was trying to make sure that the building had structural stability throughout the walls that are over the lava river. I tried many different things, but eventually I settled on swapping my beams to the concrete beams to get the extra build height, giving it more stability along the diagonal cross sections of the building in general. However, that is enough yapping from me. I will let you enjoy the rest of the time lapse in peace. Enjoy. What a journey that was. I was so relieved when placing the last piece, it's not even funny. If you guys want to see me maybe turn it into a livable space, or if you want to see more builds like this, be sure to like the video and let me know in the comments below what you think. I would really like to hear some feedback. But until next time, guys, peace.